G'day, how's it going? New episode of Go Time, first one for 2021. It's a really exciting one. Barreling this car all the way up to Coffs Harbour right now. I am going to be drifting at Rayleigh Raceway for the replacement for the halfway hangs this year. It's called Meltdown, and the Get Down, of course. Going to be up there with a whole bunch of my mates. Street driving there, street driving back. It's going to be a pretty wild ride. It's just me solo this time because Matt's got a new job, so he couldn't risk the borders closing on him. Very, very freaking excited. I'm going to get right to it. Should be a blast. Alright, well, as evidenced by the last few clips, you can see that I made it here to New South Wales, northern New South Wales, and today I'm at Rayleigh Raceway. The trip up was really good. It took a long time, obviously, but we made it. The car went well. I've just done an oil change on it, and it's looking like it's going to be a wet day today, which is good for me because I didn't bring any tires, because I'm an idiot and I'm broke. I'll get some in-car footage of me driving, and I'm just going to have a blast, so enjoy. Absolutely. Alright, we are on track. Gonna take it easy for the first couple laps. It's f***ing wet, and I am so excited. Let's get this bread. Yeah! Oh, that's slippery. Oh my god! I did it! First run at Rayleigh. I've been waiting for this for so long. That was unreal. Second run out. I didn't think I was going to be able to. Woo, that was fun. It's a little drier right now, so it's getting a little bit gripped up. Going a little bit faster, but it's still pretty slippery. See how we go. That's still slippery as. Patchy is the worst. Oh, that's getting scary actually. That's really patchy. Alright, the rain's back on, which is what I want. So I'm going back out. I don't want to push the car too hard, I don't want to push the engine, I don't want to run out of tires. So rain skids for me today. I got a long drive home to think about. And it's heaps of fun in the rain anyway, so I don't really care. Oh my god. Yeah, last few runs I did were in the dry, so
yeah, so now you gotta weather and get used to it.
Oh, that's wide. I'm not driving wet so much.
It's so easy, eh?
How is that so slippery?
It just hangs. I don't think you're actually allowed to drift that last corner, but heaps of it works.
Yeah.
That's wide.
Turbo, did you say?
Yeah.
Oh, that's more like it.
Yeah.
Gotta give it more juice there.
This thing just sits in the wet.
Yeah, it's hilarious.
Loves it.
I was gonna go for no handbrake, but that's God.
Oh, I'm so glad they fixed the potholes in this track.
Yeah,
There used to be a massive pothole right there, and you just hit it bent into your wheels.
no handbrake. Oh, we got it! Yeah, that's sick. This guy's stranded. We got a white car stuck at the lineup. White car stuck at the lineup. 10-4.
Okay, you got the credit.
Fuck yeah. That's beast. That's it.
One time I've actually used
Car in the box at the start line. Car box at the start line.
it. Yeah, I'm a sick. Alright, I'm gonna get so much lighting here tonight. Oh, I keep looking back and almost I'm like, where's Zach? Oh shit, I gotta drive. Oh shit. Oh. Rally cross circuit. What's going on here then? What do we have here?
Hey,
Trying to skid together.
the Corolla team.
Let's do a skid. That's my dad. Oh, you reckon? I reckon yours sounds the best.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah, just, yeah.
you're goddamn right. Alright, well, as is the case with typical drift days, sort of winding down a little early because everybody's overheating or having trouble, but the little blue Corolla did really well today. I'm really stoked with it. I did so many laps and it just handled it really well. So it's a really good day overall. I'll shoot a little bit more now of my mates driving, but goddamn, it's just been a great day. The Corolla's been amazing. Here it is. Alright, well, as I cruise back town towards Sydney with the Vision Street Team boys, it's time for one of my good old Dylan chats on my way home. I'm honestly blown away by how that weekend went. It's like a daydream. I get up there, I see these amazing cars, I see all these people who I love hanging out with, I meet new friends every year, I get closer to people every year. And this year I had the added bonus of being able to drive on the track, which was genuinely a dream come true. Like, I have been wanting to do that for so long. I mean, I've wanted to drive there since I was 18 years old, and I saw Casey driving there with his NA S13. It's a bucket list event for me, a bucket list track. And I drove the Corolla from Victoria 1,300 kilometers to get there, drove all day, had no worries so far, touch wood, but it's just been a dream. Huge shout out, thank you to Levy and Clint of the Visions team, Last Attack and Memory Lane on Instagram. The drive up always seems like it's not going to be worth it when you're almost there and you've been driving for 13 hours, 14 hours. And then you get there and you realize why you do it every year, or at least I do. I get there and I realize that this is exactly where I want to be at this time of year. You know, there's nowhere I would rather be. I don't want to be at home, I want to be there. And every year, as long as the people who I know and love are going to be there, and you know, this event's still going to be kicking on, that's where I'm going to be. I'm going to do my utmost to get there. And this year was really touch and go. You know, we finished lockdown in Melbourne 11:59 on Wednesday night, and I left 9 a.m. Thursday morning, and I just went for it. You know, I wanted to trailer the car up, but I had no money, I had no access to a trailer, I had no access to a car, so the only way I was going to get there was driving the car up. And I'm so elated that I chose to do so, because driving it on track was just incredibly fun. I was lucky that it was raining all day, so I was able to not use any tires, because I couldn't afford a pair of tires to run on track, so if it was dry I wouldn't have been able to drive. But yeah, I'm so incredibly thankful that I was able to make it. I'm so incredibly thankful to everybody who came up and said hi, everybody who bought a t-shirt, or you know, picked up some stickers or a hat or something. I can't really even express how elated I am to be involved with this group of people who are so kind and so welcoming and so warm. It's just, it's unreal, it's amazing. Like, I wouldn't trade it for anything. It's so good. So yeah, thank you heaps for watching. The support on the channel is amazing. Everybody who supports my music, everybody who came up and said that they enjoyed my music, that really blows me away. I appreciate that so much. So thank you for watching, and see you later.